Context time!
Context time! Context time! Context time! Context time! Right. Hey, Kaylin. Hey, guys. So, this video was filmed over the entire second week.
Yep.
After that, travel thing, we just got so busy with watching films and just enjoying the festival that we didn't even really
shoot a lot of stuff.
So basically what's going to happen is you're going to see us at the end of the week talking about the beginning of the week. And then it's just going to jump around through the days, but don't worry, this text, you'll
It's pretty cool.
Hey guys. What's wrong?
What's wrong?
It's on hey guys.
I'm tired.
Okay, but then we can't do it.
We can do it now.
I was kidding, we're definitely gonna do it now. You just swallowed everybody. Okay, hey guys. Okay, so on Monday we saw 3 movies and we had tickets for all of them. It also was the only day that we had tickets.
Yep. Crazy Tiger. Breakfast for the countryman. This is where I watched Under the Silver Lakes.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I watched one of the best, worst movies I've ever watched in my life.
I saw a few here. I saw Twin Peaks. Right, so I've got a really cool, I don't know if you can hear me. I've got a really cool seat. I'm super close to the front. Kaylin got a not so good seat way right there. Anyway, this is gonna be cool. It's a premiere. Kaylin.
Boogie. Yes.
How do you feel?
Feeling pretty good, kind of hot. So got a super long sleeve under here. Took my shirt off, my jacket. Still getting hot. My ears are 6 million degrees. They're on fire. You could roast eggs on my ears right now.
You can actually see how red they are on camera. So third movie, how are you feeling?
Third movie, I'm feeling good. My butt went home. It was on the first flight back. I have no butt cheeks now. I'm sitting sit bones. But I'm feeling good. We had to skip some short films, which I was sad about. But we just needed to give our bums breaks. Sounds like a weird festival, but it's from the sitting. So what's the problem? Look, famous people.
No, they're not. That's what's going on outside. So while we're waiting for the train, we thought it'd be a good time to do some spoiler-free reviews for the movies that we saw on Monday.
Yep.
Okay, so first one was A Hidden Life by Terrence Malick. If you've ever seen a Terrence Malick film, Song to Song, The Tree of Life, any of those, you'll know he likes doing really slow movies. But with this one, it actually follows a guy in World War II in Germany who is a farmer, but he doesn't really like the Nazi regime, right? So obviously spoiler free, so I can't say anything more than that. I thought it was really good. I really liked it for the fact that it was different than Song to Song and Tree of Life, where you could actually follow the story. But it is a 3-hour long movie. I would recommend you watch it if you like Terrence Malick movies, or if you're looking to get into Terrence Malick movies. I think it's the easiest one to get into.
So the train actually came like right after that, so we couldn't do the rest of the review, so we're just going to do them now quick.
Yeah.
So first up, the second film we watched was Le Jeune Ahmed, and Kaylin's going to review for you.
All right, so you're ready to hear what I think about the movies, because that's what you subscribe. Okay, so Le Jeune Ahmed was a pretty dope film, French film. So Le Jeune Ahmed is about like this kid. It's basically like an extreme version of peer pressure.
Yes.
Try not to say too much. So basically it's about this Muslim kid kind of falls into like an extremist group. So it's about this kid being influenced by this group and how he idolizes them and all that.
Yeah.
Like I loved the movie a lot. Like I really enjoyed it. But I just feel like it was a very long short film. Like it felt like I was watching a short film. If that makes sense.
Yes.
And the film did really well. It won
Best
director.
Yeah.
The director's
Both the
name was,
directors,
like,
she co-directed it.
the co-director.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I enjoyed it. Loved the performances. And yeah, I can't wait to see what the director does next. Directors. Can't wait to see what does the director do for the next. Wow.
All right, and then after that, the last one we saw. What was the last one that we saw in
That's
this
kind of
theater?
depressing.
It is. It was called Frankie, starring Isabelle Huppert, and I just hated it. I just really hated it.
It's just a film basically about this lady. She's in the film industry. She's an actress or something in one, right?
Yes, she's a
And
famous
she's coming
actress.
without giving too much away, it's about her bringing her family comes together, and which is basically going through everyone's different conflicts. But its camera work was very simple. It was just like literally they would keep the camera in one place. People would walk up to the camera, talk, and then leave. And there would be shots where literally people had their backs to the camera for 5 minutes. So it was shot very simple. I honestly just liked the story. I kind of liked like how things were revealed in the end and stuff like that. Like it felt very conversational. Didn't feel like it was like it had kind of beat system. It was more just like you're just watching people basically.
Yeah.
But like it's the type of movie you'll stream while you're cooking. You know, you're playing in the background.
Yes.
It's just nice to hear in the background.
Yes.
But it's not like I said, it was a competent film, which you said.
Yeah. Cool, man. And that wraps up.
And that wraps it
That
up.
wraps up our spoiler-free reviews for this week.
yeah.
Well, all the weeks.
Everything else that we've watched is nothing. No, we watched
What
student
does that mean?
films. We watched student films. And we watched, what's it? Boys in the Hood. But like we've got no invitations to wear anything.
Hey, Caleb. What's happening?
We're standing in line for Boys in the Hood. It's going to be playing around in like the next half an hour or so. Hoping to get some good seats. I need to take like a number something. And we're hoping for a really good night tonight. It's our last night watching a film in Cannes, like feature film. Tomorrow we got some things to do, so yeah, hopefully it's a really good night. Yeah.
On a cherché quelqu'un qui...
Well, remember this.
Also, you'll see we queued in the last minute line for like 4 hours on Tuesday to see Once Upon a Time in Hollywood.
Alright, so me and Yaku are just chilling outside waiting for Tarantino's film. We thought if we came 4 hours early, we'd be like in the beginning of the line. But we're like, what? In the beginning of the line?
Or at least we're not at the back of it.
Yeah, that's true. Well, we weren't, but everybody started back. So yeah, now we're waiting for Tarantino's film, and we're just praying for the best. Yeah,
4 hours.
4 hours, starting now. Bongo, South Africa loves you! Woo! 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 Hey!
Quentin Tarantino qui lance un Viva LC.
Hey people.
Hey guys. So basically what happened was, I think the cast and stuff was taking pictures so long on the red carpet that they had to lock the doors once the cast went in. So almost half the people that had tickets didn't go in, and us in the last minute line definitely didn't go in. So the cinema right now is like half full, and everybody's just very, very upset. And we've been waiting in line for 4 hours, and now there's other people that were here since 5 in the morning, and it's now 6:30 at night. So it's pretty sad. This is 6:30. So
It's crap, man. I can't believe there was a whole row, probably 200 people who had tickets.
And the thing is, it was on both sides. They didn't get in. So it was at least 200, 300 people.
Yeah, at
with
least.
invitations
Probably,
that didn't
if
go
it was
in.
the other side, probably as well, 400.
Yeah, a lot of
So
people.
the cinema
that
is
didn't get in.
half empty. Probably not half empty, but still.
And it's sad because they just let the people in, because I'm sure there would have been enough space
Definitely.
for us as well.
Anyway.
Sad day in Cannes. This is my worst
Try again
ever
tomorrow.
festival experience.
We'll try again tomorrow.
Hopefully we're gonna try and get some signatures tonight, or some pictures of them when they go to the Agora. But then again, tonight they might be I don't want to go, and
It's a 3-hour movie.
yeah, it's a 3-hour movie. So
Anyway.
let's see what happens. Sad day. We got press and we got normal people, and then who do we have over here? Who's this?
What is this line?
Your name's Alonzo.
Hey, how you doing, Joe Berg? Love y'all. Shout out to y'all.
There we go.
Good.
There we go. And then we queued the next day for 4 hours. And
Again.
didn't get in.
Again, for the second screening of Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. And again, we didn't get in. And also, again, there were people that had tickets that they didn't let in. That's a separate
Oh, okay.
segment.
I don't know, maybe I'm not editing this.
Now we're doing the ending.
Now we're doing what ending for what?
So the end of the vlog. Because you saw how it just ends.
Oh yeah, okay.
So yeah, that's the story. We didn't get into Once Upon a Time in Hollywood twice. I saw it.
Twice, was it 3 times?
No, it was twice. They only showed it twice.
Yeah.
So they only had the 2 screenings. Usually there's 3 screenings, but they only did the 2.
Yeah.
So we didn't get into that.
Which was even doubly sad because we could have been watching Parasite.
Yes.
Which
Yes.
is the biggest thing that makes
Literally,
me the most sad.
that whole part about the Tarantino. While that was happening, Parasite was
The
going in.
world's
And there
greatest
was
movie, apparently.
no one. There was no one in the last minute queue.
For
Oh, there was
Parasite.
10 people.
Yeah.
We could have gotten in.
We could have watched Parasite proper, seen the director.
Yeah.
That makes me
But
very
then
sad.
instead we decided to stand outside and yell Tarantino!
And Margot Robbie!
Margot Robbie!
But my thing, because everybody I'm speaking to is just giving so much hype about Parasite.
I've seen Parasite.
Yeah, like all
I
the
watched
actors on the
Parasite.
movie I've
It's
been on, they're all like
really good.
They're like they've never seen a film like it.
I think I saw Parasite like 4 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And when I walked out, I was like, that's the
You
perfect
see, and
movie.
if we watch
movie.
Parasite, you would be watching us give a review over that
Rather
instead
than,
of
yeah.
Frankie.
Margot!
I'm so happy I saw
Tarantino was
Yeah,
cool.
that was cool.
He was like about to get in his car and then he was like, no, let me go say hi to them.
Yeah, and I
So
went
that's very
like,
cool.
and I realized that you don't say his name's not Tarantino. It's Tarantino.
I mean, that's if he's Spanish?
I'm Spanish.
Sure. So then, so yeah, that was basically our trip. Next episode, we go to Monaco.